हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
राजोवाच कथ्यतां भगवन्नेतत् तयो शापस्य कारणं यत्तद् विगर्हितं कर्म येन वा देवर्षेस्तमः। श्रीशुक उवाच रुद्धस्य अनुचरौ भूत्वा सुहृद्तौ धनधात्मजौ कैलास उपवने रम्ये मन्दाकिन्यां मदोत्कटौ वारुणीं मदिरां पीत्वा मदाघूर्णितलोचनौ स्रजनैरनुगायद्भिः चरतुः पुष्पिते वने अन्तःप्रविश्य गङ्गायाम् अम्भोजवनराजिने चिक्रीडतु युवतिभिः गजौ इव करेणुभिः यदृच्छया च देवर्षिः भगवांस्तत्र कौरव अपश्यत् नारदो देवौ क्षीबाणौ समबुध्यत तं दृष्ट्वा व्रीडितो देव्यो विव्रस्राशापशङ्किताः वासांसि पर्यधुशीघ्रं विवस्रौ नैव गुह्यकौ तौ दृष्ट्वा मन्दिरामत्तौ श्रीमदान्धौ सुरात्मजौ तयोः अनुग्रहार्थाय शापं दास्यन्निदं जगौ। नारद उवाच न हन्यो जुषतो जोष्यान् बुद्धिभ्रंशो रजो गुणः श्रीमदादाभिजात्यादिः यत्र स्त्रीद्योतमासवः हन्यन्ते पशवो यत्र निर्दयैरजितात्मभिः मन्यमानै इमं देहम् अजरा मृत्युनश्वरम् देवसंहितमप्यन्ते कृमिविप्रस्मसंहितं भूतदृक् तत्कृते स्वार्थं किं वेद निरयो यतः देह किमन्नदातु स्वं निषेक्तुं मातुरेव च मातुः पितुर्वा बलिनः क्रेतुरग्नेषु नोऽपि वा एवं साधारणं देहम् अव्यक्तं प्रभवाप्ययम् को विद्वान् आत्मसात् कृत्वा हन्ति जन्तून् हृते सतः असतः श्रीमदान्धस्य दारिद्र्यं परमञ्जनम् आत्मौपम्येन भूतानि दरिद्र परमीक्षते यथा कण्टकविद्याङ्गो जन्तोर्नेच्छति तां व्यथां जीवसाम्यं गतो लिङ्गैर्नता न तथा विद्धकण्टकः दरिद्रो निरहस्तम्भो मुक्त सर्वमदैरिह कृच्छ्रं यदृच्छयाप्नोति तद्धि तस्य परं तपः नित्यं क्षुक्षामदेहस्य दरिद्रस्यान्नकाङ्क्षिणः इन्द्रियाणि अनुशोष्यन्ति हिंसापि विनिवर्तते दरिद्रस्यैव युञ्ज्यन्ते साधवः समदर्शिनः सद्भिक्षिणोति तं तर्षं तत् आरात् विशुध्यति साधूनां समचित्तानां मुकुन्द चरणौषिणाम् उपेक्षैकिं धनस्तम्भैः असद्भिरसदाश्रयैः तदहं मत्ययोर्माध्या वारुण्या श्रीमदान्धयोः तमो मदं हरिष्यामि स्त्रैणयोरजितात्मनोः यदि मौ लोकपालस्य पुत्रौ भूत्वा तमप्लुतौ न विश्वास समात्मानं विजानीत सुदुर्मदौ अतोर्हतस्तवावरतां स्यातां नैवं यथा पुनः स्मृति स्यान्मत्प्रसादेन तत्रापि मदनुग्रहात् वासुदेवस्य सान्निध्यं लब्ध्वा दिव्यशरच्छते वृत्ते स्वर्लोकतां भूयो लब्धभक्ति भविष्यतः. ओके. श्रीशुक उवाच एवमुक्त्वा स देवर्षिः गतो नारायणाश्रमं नलकूबरमणिग्रीवौ अवासतुर्यमलार्जुनौ. राधे कृष्ण.
Radhe Krishna. Super. Reading so nicely. Beautiful. Raja Uvacha. Katyatam, please tell me. What is this? Narada giving Shapa, unheard of. Only blessing is given. How come suddenly Shapa? What did those two boys, Kubera's sons, these two boys, Nalakubara Manigriva, are Kubera's sons, Kubera's treasurer for the gods. So even some people pray to Kubera for wealth. So these people are very wealthy. What did they do? It is natural because not all of them, but several wealthy people are very proud and very arrogant and very haughty. So they may have done something. What did they do? Rudrasyanucharo bhutva. Kubera himself is a great devotee of Shiva. That's why Shiva gave him north, close to northeast, where Shiva's direction. When Ravana threw Kubera out of Lanka, he had to go somewhere. So Rudra gave him, don't worry, become my neighbor. So Kubera got northern direction. Rudrasya anucharo bhutva. So these two boys were also followers of Shiva only. Mandakanya, beautiful river is flowing, beautiful lotuses, and these boys, rich people, sometimes get these kind of habits. Special kind of wine, very intoxicating wine called Varuni Madiram. Some wine called Varuni. Very expensive, very intoxicating. Varuni Madiram Pitva. They have drunk. They have got a lot of people around them. Rich people always, in Sundarakandam, Valmiki Bhagavan is joking, no? All the good omens came towards Sita Devi, just like so many new friends come to somebody who has become rich. So rich people have a lot of such people around them. So a lot of people around them who are also enjoying. What are they enjoying? They are enjoying Nalakubara Manigriva's money and Nalakubara Manigriva's Varuni. So they are all enjoying. Because they are so intoxicated, they didn't notice Narada Bhagavan coming. When some Mahan comes, you're supposed to get up. Even if you're doing puja is not supposed to be disturbed. But even then, if your guru or if some Mahan comes, you can request your deity. You can get up. You can do namaskaram. Invite them to sit down and then continue your puja. These people are not doing puja. Chikridatuhu yuvati bihi. Just like elephants, male elephants play with female elephants. Similarly, this Nalakubara Manigriva are playing with this Yuvati Bihi. The girls noticed that Narada has come, so they quickly dressed themselves and moved to the side. So when Narada comes, they can offer their namaskara. But these two were so intoxicated, they did not even notice, they did not even get dressed. So Narada looked at them and said, see, this is what happens when you're intoxicated with money, intoxicated with riches, and intoxicated by Madhu. Tayor anugraha artaya. These are great devotees. Father, is a great devotee of Shiva. They have been great devotees of Shiva. Let me do something to help them. So he is giving them some upadesha first. He says, you have to be very careful with wealth. Later in 11th canto, there's going to be a detailed chapter on all the problems that you get when you start amassing wealth. But here he's pointing to a few of them. People who have wealth, first thing is they've learned to figure out how to protect it so it is not stolen, it is not taxed, it is not taken away by people who are sudden new friends, all those things. So they're always worried about that. They're always concerned about that. Then they get big feeling of pride. Oh, I have so much money. I can do anything I want. Mother, that comes. And everybody in the world, whether they have little money or more money, are always thinking, how can I get more money? How can I get more money? Lobha. All those are problems. Srimadada Devi Jatyadir Yatra Stri Dyutamasavah Hanyante. Once they have more money, then more and more meat loving comes with that. So hanyante, they don't care killing things just so that they can satisfy their taste. One by one, it leads to various things. This body is temporary. You think it belongs to you, you think it is permanent, but it is not. It is very temporary. Does this body belong to your mother because she carried you? Does this body belong to the father because father and mother were responsible for giving birth, giving you this body? Or is it all these plants that you have eaten? Does this body belong to them? Or after you pass away, if it is thrown into the sea, then the sea beings will eat? Does it belong to them? Does it belong to the fire? Ko vidwan. But all this knowledge about the temporariness of the body, permanence of the Atma, will not easily come to somebody who is so proud of their wealth. Asatah Srimadhantasya Daridryam Paramanjanam. For the poor people, at least of the three big issues, only one issue is there. How will I earn some money? They don't have this pride. They don't have this problem of, Are kaisa bhi jo hai wo bachane ka. Somebody may steal it. My relatives may take it away from me. Aisa problem nahi hai unko. Therefore, this satsanga sadhus also prefer people who are not so wealthy, because they don't have time to bother about all this pride, arrogance, haughtiness. वो सब नहीं करने का. You come to satsangam, you read nicely, you hear, you go. They are happy with that. Sadhu nam samachittanam mukunda charanaishinam upekshay kim dhanasthambaihi asadbihi asadashraihi asadbihi. Because the rich fellows, they may not even know the concept of humility. Then how are they going to do pariprashnena sevaya? So that tamas that you have, this pride about your money, and this feeling that only thing that is important is the enjoyment for the body, that andhakara, that darkness has to be removed. Tamo madam harishyami strainayoho ajitatmanoho. Even though they are saying shapam, you tell me if this is shapam or not. What has he said? He has said, you both, trees don't wear clothes. So you both become trees. Because you seem to like that, you become trees. Where? In Gokula. Where in Gokula? In Nanda and Yashoda's house. When? At a time when Krishna is going to be there. शापों में अनुग्रह कृत है. It's a big anugraha. वासुदेवस्य सानिध्यम लब्ध्वा दिव्य शरणशते. You will get Bhagavad Darshana. Because of his grace, you will be able to come back with divine knowledge. Labdha bhakti bhavishyatah eva mukta. Having said that, he immediately felt remorse. Narada, it's like, "Arey, ye kya hai? Those, they are rich, they are enjoying. Why are we bothered? I made a mistake. Let me go and do some more tapasya. Let me go and calm this. We are supposed to have shama, dama. Of course, it's Anugraham only, but I shouldn't have done this Shapa, he felt. So he went to Narayanashramam Gato. He went to see Narayana Maharshi, Bhagavad Avataram, no, as Narayana. He went there to get his blessing. In the meantime, this Nalakubara and Manigriva, they became Yamala Arjuna. They became two Arjuna trees in the back of the house where Krishna is living, Nanda and Yashoda's house. So every day they have been enjoying all the Krishna Leelas. Janubhyam, Sahapanibhyam, Ringan, Makhan Leela, everything these two boys have been enjoying as Arjuna trees.